Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nintendo Switch to laptop, quick method step by step clearly. To connect your Nintendo Switch to a laptop, first make sure your laptop has an HDMI input. Check if your Nintendo Switch is fully charged or connected to a power source. Next, gather your equipment, your Nintendo Switch, a laptop with an HDMI input, and an HDMI cable. If your laptop doesn't have an HDMI input, you will need a capture card. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the Nintendo Switch dock. Then, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the capture card. Now, plug the capture card into the USB port on your laptop. If you are using a laptop with HDMI input, simply plug the HDMI cable directly into the laptop. Switch on your Nintendo Switch. Once the switch is on, you should see the display on your laptop screen. If using a capture card, open the associated software on your laptop. It may take a moment for the video feed to appear. If you don't see anything, ensure the capture card is recognized by your laptop. You can adjust settings in the software for optimal performance. Now you should be able to play your Nintendo Switch on your laptop display. Enjoy gaming on a bigger screen with your laptop setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.